If you are a digital marketing aspirant, I will not talk about different hacks because hacks are not the way to learn digital marketing properly. If you want to learn digital marketing properly, you need to understand it, you need to do practicals, and you need to go through case studies and actual campaigns. The good news is that I am offering an online live course for Google Adwords, which will cover everything about Google AdWords, starting from how to think, what kind of campaign to do in Google AdWords, what should be your advertisement, what should be the strategy, and how to execute that strategy in form of a campaign, and how to evaluate your campaign and then further optimize it to get the desired result for your business. Since it's year end, I am providing a heavy discount for all to start the new year with a new resolution to get better results in digital marketing. Every business owner wants to grow his business, and it's always the most important resolution for the coming year. And to grow your business in this age, you need to know everything about digital marketing. It's very important for growth of your business. If you learn and implement digital marketing in your organization properly, it is bound to give business growth, and it has potential to help your business grow, to help you get more conversions, and to scale your business. If you want to learn digital marketing properly, especially Google AdWords, I am organizing an online live training where I will cover everything about Google AdWords from start to end, whether it's how to think about designing a campaign, how to execute an advertising campaign in Google AdWords, how to choose the audiences, how to create advertisements, and how to design your landing page, how to look at the results reports and analyze them, and how to do optimization to get better results, better ROI for your business. So if you are looking for business growth in upcoming year, join my course and get advantage of the discounted prices I have given. It's online, so there is no limitation of time and distance. You can cover it from your home office and grow your business.